Hello beautiful people, Luis here again with another product from the ANNKE family. This time I got the mini NVR and I'm gonna show you how to insert the micro SD card into it. But before you do that, you have to unplug the Ethernet cable as well as your power cable. Now, be sure not to put it this way to the front way because it just doesn't go anyway. So it goes upside down and just insert it. Pretty straightforward, you wouldn't miss it. Then, of course, connect back your power cable, your Ethernet cable, and that's it. You're all set with your NVR, your mini NVR from ANNKE. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to do the playback function on this mini NVR. First of all, you have to have the ANNKE site app already downloaded onto your phone. It doesn't matter if it's Android or Apple, we have it both. Now, then here on this window, you will have a third button saying playback. In this case, it's moving because we already have footage, right? So you just tap on it. We have two channels in this case because there are two cameras. I'm gonna choose channel 2 just for the purpose of this video. Now, here, if I just go slide it a little bit back, I will have the playback because how do I know? When I have footage before, it turns into blue. So that's what I did. I just go back and that's it. I can see the footage now. This has been recorded already. That's the playback function.